I have a itchy feet.
Are you a gregarious person or you love your own company? And family system is somewhere in the ICU or maybe on the ventilator.
Blood is thicker than water. Means
Morning. How are you and how is your morning shaping up so far? Morning has just started actually.
yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. First of all, and thank you so much. Today I'm exuberant to have session with you. And definitely, I consider fortune is smile on me that you give chance to share your screen with me, ma'am.
It's my pleasure as well, Pooja. Okay. Because I think we are connecting for the very first time. And honestly speaking, when you shared your channel, then I got to know that you are the Pooja. I have seen your channel, I think. Okay. One
Yes,
video went
ma'am.
viral, I think. The
With my
conversation with
son, I
your
think.
son, I think so. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So I think I have watched that video to not completely, but yes, to some extent. And it was a wonderful conversation. You have a lovely son, smart, not only look wise, brainy too. So
Thank you so
yeah,
much,
I
ma'am.
knew it,
Means a
but
lot.
so many pujas I have conversed so far. So I was just doubtful that now this is fifth or sixth number. Which puja is she? Who is
Actually,
this?
Pooja is common name. So every time I have seen like lots of pujas, like I also connected with two, three puja, and that time like feeling is mutual. Feeling
Like,
is feel like different that calling our name repeatedly.
right. And both partners were calling the same name every now and then.
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
Yes.
right, Pooja. So I won't wait anymore as your presence on my channel is for the very first time. So I would love
Yes,
if you introduce yourself.
yes, ma'am. No, never. I don't mind, ma'am. I'm delighted that introduce myself. My name is Pooja. I hail from Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Bangalore with my family. I have done masters with science stream and B.Ed and CTET qualified. And if I talk about my hobbies, I have a itchy feet. I love to travel and gain knowledge. And I'm a bibliophile and mellophile person. I love to listen music while doing household chores. Whenever I feel I can't bottle up my emotion. So in this way, I just try to entertain myself. And nowadays I have a bee in my bonnet about learning this language because it's in demand and it's a global language. It helped me a lot because as I said that I'm learning, I'm thriving, so I have created my own YouTube channel, Learn English with Pooja. Whatever knowledge I have gained, I just try to impart that knowledge. And I consider myself positive, go-getter and a high driven person. So that's a bit about me, ma'am.
Wonderful,
Thank you.
wonderful introduction. Amazing. Commendable.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, I loved it and I got to know a little more about you. So that's how
Yes, ma'am.
after introducing, no, then I get some idea that what all things can I ask you. So as you already used 4 to 5 words, which are maybe for a few learners, those words are new. Like you said, itchy feet. Then you said
Yes, ma'am.
melophile, bibliophile. I don't know whether you also used logophile or what, but bibliophile, melophile, I remember. So
Yes, ma'am.
just for the audience, okay? Those who do
Yes,
not,
ma'am.
because these are now very common words, especially I see that in most of the conversation videos, people have been using these idioms and such words. Okay.
Yes,
Some, those
ma'am.
who do not understand itchy feet, because idioms always have a different meaning. Their literal meaning is
Yes,
something else, but the actual meaning is something very different. So, would you mind
yes.
letting the audience know about the itchy feet and then melophile and then bibliophile? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Why not? It's my pleasure and privilege also that itchy feet means you love to travel. You can't hold your horses in one place. So, as I already mentioned, that I love to travel to get exposure from other places like cuisine, culture. I have this kind of, I'm fond of to know about others' culture. And by God grace, because of my husband, I'm getting this chance
Mhm.
because he's a central government employee. So till now, I visited Kerala. I have literally learned their culture, their cuisine, and South Indian foods I always love. And if so, yeah, I would say that itchy feet means like love to travel, to go one place to another place for the sake of learning and exploring their culture. And the next
So
word
in
is
one word, I think we can say globe trotter. Yes,
yes.
itchy feet.
Yes,
Those
ma'am.
people,
Yes,
those who
ma'am.
have itchy feet means they are globe
Social
trotter.
butterfly.
Yeah, social
Yes.
butterfly. Okay, wonderful.
Yes.
Coming to the next one.
Yes, ma'am. And next word is bibliophile. Bibliophile means love to read books. And as I said that I'm a bibliophile, so I love to read books, especially NCRT related, science related books, like NCRT science related, because the way they try to make understand children's that small things. So I love that thing also. I love to read. That's why. So I usually learn science related book NCRTs, which is helpful for my broaden my horizon as well as for my competitive exam, because I have done B.Ed, so I want to become teacher. So yes, for that also. And ma'am, next word is mellophile. Mellophile means love to listen to music. I love listen to music because it cheers me up. It is a pick me up that whenever I'm down in the dump, I can't pour out my feeling in front of anyone. So in this way that whenever I listen music, it gives me refreshness, resonate myself. So I love to listen music also, ma'am. So we can say mellophile means listening to music
Those
to
who are
cheer
into
up
music.
yourself.
Yes, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
All
So
right.
these three words you gave me chance and to
Wonderful
elaborate. Yes, ma'am.
explanation, Pooja. And we started with a lovely note. At least those who do not know these three words, they would get to know how to use it, even in the form
Yes,
of
ma'am.
idiom or even one word as well. All right. So
Yes, ma'am.
now,
And one word I want to add from my side, like I have a green thumb also, ma'am. I love to kitchen gardening as well, but I didn't mention because nowadays I'm in Bangalore. I live in rented house, so that's why. Otherwise, when I was in my native place, I love to kitchen gardening. So that time I usually use this word that I have a green thumb also.
so many things are very much common in both of us. So I
Yes,
also
ma'am.
love savoring music and I do have a green thumb. Okay. And then
Mhm.
I'm trying to get into reading. I'm not actually, but
Yes.
I feel like I should. And whenever I get some book of my own choice, so I feel like I'm just turning into bibliophile. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
lovely, lovely Pooja. Just one more question if I ask you related to your introduction. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. You can.
Are you a gregarious person or you love your own company? You feel like being in
Ma'am.
public
Yes,
or
ma'am.
cheering up,
Yes.
hanging up with friends, or you just love your own company?
Yes, ma'am. If I give this is quite difficult question for me because I consider myself versatile person. Because sometimes it depends on my mood, ma'am. That
Mhm.
whenever I feel that I am comfortable in living alone, and I give time to myself to recharge my battery. So that time I behave like a solitude. And whenever I feel that, whenever, especially whenever I go my native place, and I love to become social butterfly, gregarious person, because there I means I can meet with my friends, my native, my sisters especially. So I love free handly, means I love to be with my sister, with my relative. But here, ma'am, quite because of I'm feeling that I'm isolated because of their culture here, means especially Bangalore, their culture and their tradition is quite different, especially language, ma'am. That's why I consider that English is my supporting hand, because here I don't know their local language, Kannada. So even my neighbor, they try to make connection with me, but language is the main barrier where
I
we
know.
can't find that connection. So yes, ma'am, I consider myself both gregarious and solitude. So yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. I know that if you move from one place to another place, to have a real connection with real life people, language plays a vital role actually. So now Kannada,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
many languages one person can learn? This is really very difficult. So English and Hindi, with two, we feel that in India at least we can very well manage, even if we know
Yes.
manageable English. Then, but if you talk about common people of common places, like maybe in Bangalore, if you talk to homemakers, maybe they may not understand English. They are
Yes,
fully,
ma'am.
fully, they can communicate in
Kannada.
just Kannada. Yes. And at that
Kannada,
time, it
yes, ma'am.
becomes very, very tedious to understand either to her or to make yourself express in front of her, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
I'm going through with this situation, ma'am.
I can
I can
understand
resonate.
because due to my children, I have been to many states and many places, and I know the
Yes,
real
ma'am.
struggle. Okay, when you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
know the
Yes.
language, especially once
Yes.
I was in Italy, there it was so
Okay.
difficult. People were not getting English as well. They only
Yes,
expected
ma'am.
me to speak in their own
Own
native
language.
language, and that was Italian.
Yes.
It was, I mean, for me, even one word I did not know. All right, so
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is very difficult. Like you always need to have Google and translator. Then you
Translator.
translate your English or Hindi maybe into Italian, and then you show the screen that please can you understand this? This is what I wanted to
Yes,
ask you.
ma'am.
Yeah, so this plays a
Yes.
vital role. But yeah, good that
Yes, ma'am.
we at least we are fluent in two languages, Hindi and English,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
one maybe local language. Like you are from
Yes, yes, ma'am.
mountains. So,
Uttarakhand. Yes,
Uttarakhand,
ma'am.
yes. So, what's your local language?
Our local language is Kumaoni, ma'am. But Hindi usually, normally we can speak Hindi. We speak Hindi there.
Mhm.
But Kumaoni we speaks. But here, like ma'am, now I can say that I'm not struggling that much because I know English and I can make connection because Bangalore, it's a silver city and most of North Indians comes here. But when I was in Kerala, that time I suffered a lot, ma'am,
Mhm.
because I was surrounded, I was among between the local people, and
Mhm.
we just give answer and ask question in action. Where is your
Right, just
kid?
gestures can
What are you
let them
doing?
know
Like
that what
that.
you exactly want to tell.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. That time I suffered a lot, but
Right,
now I'm little bit comfortable.
right.
Yes, ma'am.
With time, you understand that how you can manage well. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. And I
Pooja.
would say
Yeah, please.
it was a eureka moment for me.
Right,
Yes,
right.
ma'am. And I would say it was a eureka moment for me that you should, and that incident gave me kick that you should learn this language. Otherwise, you may suffer down the lane as well because my husband has a job, so I have to move place to place. So yes, ma'am.
And central government is something like every after 3 years, maybe they are transferred.
Yes,
Yes.
3 and 4 years
And
we
that
have to
that is
move.
not in one zone, like in India, in any state, in any city, you
Yes.
can be transferred because my father was in central government. He was in controller of defense accounts. So every after 3 years,
Okay.
he was being transferred, and we used to live at one place because of our education and something like that. But once we grew up, then we started moving along with our parents
Parent.
because
Yes,
of
ma'am.
that my father admitted all the kids into central school so that central school is available everywhere, so no matter
Yes.
where I go, at least my children would not suffer. So that's how it
Yes.
was.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, actually, this is my concern also. Like my kids are also suffering. Even my son always asks, "Mama, don't go another city. Now my friends are there. How would I make new friends?" So that time I feel like little bit guilty, and I thought like maybe if we have a permanent place job, but sometimes we get lots of exposure also. And as you said, like you have seen my son's video that whatever he has that confidence he has gained to explore their self also, ma'am. So pros and cons runs hand to hand.
Right, right. And it's a good thing because ultimately children have to face this. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Because
They
transferring
have to get
in this
chance to.
childhood or later, it has to
Yeah.
happen. It has to happen.
Yes.
So it's good the earliest they can understand this. and they
Yes,
have a good caliber. They very
yes.
easily actually become friendly and mingle
They can
with their
adjust.
friends. They are just
Yes.
very, they are very much. Were you born in into a joint family, Pooja, or into a
Yes,
nuclear
ma'am.
family? You were born into a
Yes,
joint
ma'am. I
family?
was born and yes, ma'am, and joint family. Yes, so now I'm living in nuclear family, not nuclear family because my mother-in-law passed away. So my father-in-law with us, and my husband is a single son, and my both sister-in-law got married. So I would say it's a half joint and nuclear. But earlier before
Completely
marriage,
joint, you can say, because you have no choice. You have no choice.
yes, ma'am.
Mother-in-law is no more. Your
Yes,
husband
ma'am.
is a single son.
Single son.
Yeah, yeah. And
Yes, ma'am.
daughter-in-laws are already in their settled in their own families. So they are good to
Yes,
go with
ma'am.
their own families. And whoever is left, so-called in joint family, is your father-in-law.
Yes,
Okay, so he is with
yes,
you.
ma'am.
So you have a joint family, you can say, because nobody else is there who
Small
needs.
joint family. I
Yeah,
would say
small,
small joint family.
small joint family. Oh,
Yes,
nice,
ma'am.
nice. Actually, I wanted to talk about this topic, Pooja, with you because
Yes, ma'am.
it seems that, see, that we are becoming modern, so-called, because
Yes, ma'am.
we have started learning English, and this itself
Yes,
is
ma'am.
known as a smarter language, and people feel that if I can speak in English, then I'm more confident, more whatever you can think, like they feel that they have everything because this is the beauty of this
Yes,
language. But now
yes, ma'am.
what I feel is, or even I have heard and read somewhere, that joint family system is somewhere in the ICU or maybe on the ventilator. Okay, so how would
Yes,
you
ma'am.
suffice this statement? What is your take on this, that joint family system is on the ventilator? It is not fully dead. It is not fully
Yes,
dead. It is on the
yes,
ventilator.
ma'am.
So, what would you say, and what's your take on this?
Yes, ma'am. To begin with, I'm a full supportive of joint family
Mhm.
because it's under a roof. Like you can share your responsibilities, and no one can alone carry the whole burden.
Hmm.
And because, ma'am, every coin has two sides. If you are living with joint family, so sometime happy moment, celebration you would do. But on the flip side, you have to feel negative side also, but adjustment and open communication is the best way to live happy, because at the end of our life your happiness matter a lot.
True.
And as you said, as you gave two name, I was not aware about this word like ICU and ventilator, because ma'am, nowadays nowadays everyone wants to live freely, just like a free bird. They don't want to carry any burden, like grandparents, their in-laws, they don't want to carry. But ma'am, like their own pros is also there. If you are living in a joint family, it's a kind of amalgamation of feelings, emotion. Our grandparent passes values, life lessons, and good experiences. And on the other side, your new generation gives up fresh and new ideas. So I would say, yeah, it's a ecological, like a feeling new, feeling happy and sorrow moment. You, it kind of collective decision that you have to take. But if I talk about, if I give answer of your question, so yes, ma'am, that sometime misunderstanding and lack of privacy and different opinion. So we can say, because of this kind of environment, we find that we are on a ventilator, we are on a ICU, that you can't take your own decision, you have to please others also. And as the say is going, like we have to burn ourselves to keep others warm, especially in women cases. So yeah, that's why nowadays every, I think, in-laws, daughter-in-laws wants to live separate and like far from their family, because they would not carry that unrealistic means burden, they
Mhm.
think. Yes, ma'am. So, but in other hand, ma'am, like lost of love, affection, we pour out our feeling, we share our responsibilities. So it happen. So yes, ma'am, like it depends on people's mind, what they are thinking about the families. But to be honest, ma'am, I love to live in a joint family.
Great.
So yes, ma'am.
Wonderfully explained. and wonderful expression that you love to be the part of a joint family. Because see,
Yes, ma'am.
joint family system is declining rapidly. There is no doubt about it. First thing, due to
Yes, ma'am.
the job culture. This is the biggest
Yes,
biggest thing. Like children are not in country when they are moving to the other countries. Then how is it possible to be the part of a joint family? Secondly, everybody wants to be independent. They
yes, ma'am.
don't want that somebody is there to lead them or somebody is there to poke their nose into their decisions. They don't want that.
Yes, ma'am.
And because of that, this is happening. But when you think of raising children and in the condition of when both parents are working, suppose your husband is
Yes,
working at present, you are thankfully not working, so you are giving your 100% to raise your children.
yes,
You
ma'am.
get time.
Yes,
You are even giving time to your father-in-law, your husband, your children, and for yourself also. And you are
yes,
trying to
ma'am.
grab the job. When you become a teacher, nearly 8 hours you will be out of the family. You will out of your home.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, yes,
that
ma'am.
is the crucial period of time when the role starts of a joint family. Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you see, we are depending on nannies.
Yeah.
They are the pillar of the family.
Our house.
When parents go out for the job sake or for the business sake, they are the ones, they are taking good care of their children for the name of good care. Whether they are getting
Yes.
good care or not, that we
Yes,
have come
ma'am.
across many such incidents, like
Yeah.
nannies, they are giving even some kind of medicines for children to sleep for a longer
Yes.
time. They are not feeding the kids at right time.
Mm.
Rather, the share of the milk or whatever eatables, they are
Yes.
eating themselves. Unknowingly, they were not aware of that camera is there, and parents got to know about these
Yeah.
facts. All right. So
Yes, ma'am.
at least we can rely on our own parents that they cannot do this.
Yeah.
Never they can do this for our
Yeah.
children. So at least we can have that sense of feeling that my kids are in the safe hands. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
that
I
feeling gives you
couldn't
a
more.
sense of no comfort. You can work at your
Comfort.
workplace with your mind and heart,
Yes, ma'am.
or
Yes.
else you're
I totally
half
agree.
mind at your workplace and half mind, how
Mm.
are my kids, what is, and especially
Yes.
when kids are not keeping well, when they are sick, when they are under the weather,
Yeah.
that time how many days of leave you the government can grant or even this private sectors can grant. We know it very well.
Yes.
I was into teaching for 32 years, so I know it very well. For getting 1 day leave, I used to write an application with a heavy heart. I used to go and stand in front of principal's room and wait. We
Yes.
waited long for my turn to get inside the room, and then with great difficulty, sister, I want 1 day leave, my son is not keeping well. And sisters
Yes.
have this, like, they are not social people. They don't get married.
Yes.
Yeah. So they don't know the societal pressure. They don't know that what's the real family problem. What's the emotion of a mother when the child is sick? How can that lady be
Yes.
here in the campus and can teach with 100% quality teaching? That's impossible.
Yes.
That's impossible. And
Yes.
when parents are there at home, so they can certainly take very
Yes.
good care of our kids. So the joint family
Yes,
system
ma'am.
is a very good, was a very good system, and still I see in certain families we have we know that pros and cons we have of everything, nuclear family and joint family.
Yes.
But still,
Yes, ma'am.
if we compare, I think joint family, like if you have a family, only one person for the name of joint family, but still,
Yes, ma'am.
you must be getting full support from your father-in-law.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. And yes, ma'am, I couldn't more agree with you that I consider grandparents, in-laws are the backbone of our life.
Family. Right, right, right.
Yes, ma'am, family. Because, ma'am, now recently my father-in-law came from native place. We went also for the summer break, but
Mm-hmm.
he said that after some time I will come. And that period of time, ma'am, only 1 month, I have to suffered a lot because, ma'am, my school timing is different of my son and my daughter. So whenever I came from school to pick up my daughter, then I have to go again to pick up my son, so I have to carry along with my daughter as well to pick up my son. And in this way that I was exhausted the whole day, like, and even I have to lock every time. And ma'am, when you were sharing that time, I'm feeling nostalgic because my grandmother in my like maiden home, my grandmother used to say, no matter I am not able to do any work of my home, but at least you would not lock your home if I'm here. So I still remember that thing, and I feel goosebumps right now also, but because I always think that if my mother-in-law is there, would be there, so I would do this. Even my mother-in-law was very supportive, and he always stand by me that whatever you want to do, you can, I'm with you. But all of a sudden my life would change when she passed away, and all responsibilities, I have
Came
to
on
go
your shoulder.
relatives home. Yes, ma'am. I have to go relatives home for their celebration and anything. If I would not able to go there, they make excuses and they try to blame me that she is not social kind of girl like this. And if your parents are there, at least they, because is the says going, blood is thicker than water. Means as you said that nanny and lots of cases are there. Sometimes they feed the sleeping pills and other thing. So, ma'am, if your parents are there, they would love more than you in their on their grandchildrens. Like, because their love is, they have a purest love of form, purest heart towards their grandsons, granddaughter. So yes, I would say that I always think that because ma'am, it's a blessing in disguise that if your grandparents is there, if your grand-in-laws is there, so they would take care and they would nurture as like their kid, and no one can nurture like this. And you are free from those responsibilities of your kids, like because as you said ma'am that someday before that I thrown a interview of the same school my of my kid, and their question was like this, that who would care of your kids when you were not present in your home. And they were just asking me related my family related question, that okay, your time duration is this is so, but we would not allow you after 4 you will go your home. So I kept this point that my daughter is so small, so I can go there. So they were just saying that no. So ma'am, like sometime like private and government sector, they want from us 100%, no matter what the situation of your family.
They
And
don't
as you
have
said,
any
like for,
concern of that. They want you to be
yes,
on your
ma'am.
toes all the time for their sake,
Yes,
not for your family's sake,
yes,
not for your
yes,
own
yes,
sake.
yes,
Yes, that
yes,
is
ma'am.
that is true. That is true.
So,
And there lies the role of joint family.
yes, ma'am. That's why they always prefer men's in compared to women, because they don't have this kind of concern that family related. So I have seen, ma'am, and they didn't select me because of my this, not because of my knowledge, my other situation, because of my family condition. They
Yeah,
didn't
they knew
preg
that
me.
Pooja has
Pregnant
two
me.
children, and then every now and then she will be asking for certain excuses. My child's exam, my
Yeah.
child is not well, my child has some demo, some presentation,
No
some
one
seminar,
is.
some he has to go for competition out. I just want 2 days leave. They know it, and they
Yeah.
want to make sure that this person should be always ready for the institute. Yeah.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I
They
think
clearly they
there is,
say that if you are thinking just to earn and to take at least 12 to 14 holidays, then this place is not
yeah,
for you.
not for you. Yes, ma'am. Really,
Right, right, right.
really.
Wonderfully explained. And one more thing I see that today's generation I talk about, they used to say that like if Dada Dadi or Nana Nani, they are there with them, then they mollycoddle the children. But I think
Yes, ma'am.
we are doing more than them.
More than, yes,
More
ma'am.
than them. When child wants
And
5 rupees chocolate, we are providing them 50 rupees chocolate, thinking that maybe
yes,
I'm pampering and I'm showing off great love towards our children. But somewhere it's spoiling the kids. When you give them more
yes,
than
ma'am.
needed, then they would be expecting the same with life in future as well.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Actually, the fact is nowadays kids are, we are like upbringing only one or two kids, and we have this mentality to provide each and everything to our kids. Like
Right.
we are wrapping in a whole cotton, like
Hmm.
spoon feeding. See, we are giving them spoon feeding, like whatever you want, like within a second. And even nowadays, 10-minute delivery is there. It has
Blinking.
also impact on in our life, our kids' life also. Even
Right.
my son and daughter, whatever they want, they just say that, Mama, please order with the 5 minute deliveries, 10 minute delivery. So because of it also, ma'am, that and our expectation is also like we want because we are 90s kid. We some to some extent we are lacking behind of this thing that we always have this kind of grudges that we didn't get this thing, we didn't get this book, we didn't get this kind of chocolate pizza. So we want to fulfill desire of our kids. We don't want to feel that any shortcoming, any they feel in their life that my mother didn't provide this thing. So
Right.
we want to give all these things in their life. So maybe because of it also, and kids also only one or two kids are there, so
No,
it's
but it's
easy to
very
fulfill their
important
desire.
for these kids to understand
Yes,
that there
ma'am.
is a word called no. So sometimes they should be said
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
or else they will not
Yes.
know the utility of this word, and they would not be able to adjust in that such scenario when they are rejected, when they are not fulfilled their desire, or when they
Yes.
are said no to anything. They don't get
Yes.
into it. They don't digest this
Disappoint.
fact that no, how come my parents
Yes.
always offered me everything? How come my
Yes.
teacher says that no, you can't go for drinking
That.
water? Even for drinking
Yes.
water, if a student asks in the class, at times teacher has to say that no,
Yes. Yes,
because
ma'am.
it's a
Yes.
kind of no what is that called, it's very infectious. If one child asks, may I go to drink water, one after the other, every child starts asking, one has been
Yes.
permitted, let me also get this opportunity. I just want to
Yes.
leave this place and go and enjoy. And for that sake teachers say
Yes.
no, and it becomes very hard for the child to understand
Um,
why this teacher is telling me not to have water. I have my own bottle, I have my own water. In spite of that, she is telling not to drink water. So we need to make
yes.
our children understand that yes, no is very important to understand, uh, to lead your life in a good manner.
Yes, ma'am. We should
Wonderful,
make them
wonderful
understand and make them
explanation, Pooja.
learn value of money, value of saying no, sayer also that because otherwise we can't put those etiquettes in their life, and that's why they are becoming so stubborn and recalcitrant that they are not allowing no in their life. So we
Right.
need to inculcate this habit to
It's
adjust
very,
in any
very
situation.
important. I mean,
Yes, ma'am.
deliberately you have to say sometimes no. Although
Oh, yes, ma'am.
you can afford to do it, but just for the sake
Yes,
of
yes, ma'am.
teaching them, you need to say
Yes.
10 times you have given them whatever they asked for. But one time, sorry. This time,
Yes.
no. And no
Yes.
means no. It's a firm no. It's not that you
Yes.
throw tantrum and next moment, okay, let me then order from Swiggy or from Blinkit, or so
Yes.
many apps are there. No, no should be very firm, more than
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. Sometimes we need to be resilient also and lead by example because nowadays we are the role model of our kids. Whatever we are doing, we don't have that kind of patience, ma'am. That whatever we want, we just try to blink it, we just try to flip card. So we have to also hold our horses. We need to be patient so that they would also learn from us.
Imitate you.
So
Yes.
because yes,
Mm,
ma'am, and because ma'am, etiquettes and these kinds of patience it's not taught, it's fought. So
right.
we should
And
lead by example.
yes, and our family is the first school. We should never forget
Yes,
this. Okay, so wonderful
yes, ma'am.
explanation, Pooja. I loved every bit of this conversation. It was really very intriguing session, captivating session. Although you were here for the first time, I never felt even for a moment, for a microsecond, that you are a stranger for me. It was such a wonderful talking with you, and you see, the more than half an hour we discussed, and time flies
Yes,
like
ma'am.
anything. We could not track the time. Now Zoom can
Yes,
disconnect
yes,
anytime.
ma'am.
So
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Feeling is mutual. I was also feeling very exuberant to connect with you, and I didn't feel also likewise that I'm connecting for the very first time because we are sharing a strong bond with together. So thank you so much, ma'am. I'm looking forward to have such kind of insightful conversation with you. Thank you,
sure,
ma'am.
sure, sure. Same here. I would also love to connect with you in future. So thank you so much. Have a lovely day ahead because morning has just started. All right.
Yes,
So bye
ma'am.
bye. and all the best
Have a
for
nice
your future
evening.
endeavor. When you become a
Thank
teacher,
you so
let me know
much.
that moment. Okay.
Definitely, ma'am, definitely. You inspired a lot. I always admire your insights. Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Pooja. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye-bye.